My name is Steve Watton, and I'm from Lake Havasu City, Arizona. I'm semi-retired, a semi-retired cabinet maker, and this is my first go at seeing if I can put a steel building up. I used to park in this dirt lot next to my place. This building solves a number of problems. One was housing my toys, my tools, and knowing that we can leave and have something under lock and key that's protected. I wanted steel versus wood versus longevity out here. We have 120-degree summers and the heat just beats wood up, and I'm hoping, and so far it looks like it's going to hold up. Steel buildings tend to last. Quality was everything to me, and even my own building, it's not that I can cut corners because I live with seeing every screw. Everything had to be pre-drilled before I installed all the PBR paneling. I wanted to make sure everything lined up onto the purlins, the girts. It was painstaking as far as details, but the end result to me, I can come out and know that I didn't cut any corners to get the quality that I wanted. I found friends here and there through my neighborhood. They saw me putting things up every day and wanted to be a part of it. If you are capable of doing it themselves, you could save a lot of money erecting these buildings yourself. I know it takes equipment. You can rent equipment. I did see some video files that really helped on some of the erection of the building as far as what I needed to know about where the screws are located, where to put certain things. But if I did have the questions, I could call Tyler, who is my project manager. And Tyler, if he didn't know the question, he would take it to Eric and have it answered for me.